Hello viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe so that you may be notified whenever any lesson has been done by Tutor Patrick Divine. So this is my name, I'm Tutor Patrick Divine. My new viewers, you are welcome. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to deal with these questions, okay, in paper 1. So these questions, I just got them randomly. Recently in that previous video, I did how to find the sine, cos, as well as tan by using your left hand, okay? So now I'm going to show you how you can solve these questions. So these questions are the ones that involve those things, okay? So these questions, they came, like this one, it came in 2017, okay? So this is the question that came, and there are other questions that we are going to solve, but I want you to finish this whole video so that you can understand every concept. So that way of finding the angles by using your hand, okay, finding the cos, tan, as well as sine by using your hand. So it will work on these questions, okay? So those that are following me, make sure that you use that formula, and those that you've just followed me, you can inbox me on this same line, okay? This is my WhatsApp line here, or you can check out of my content. You can check out my content. There is what I posted about solving, about finding the angles, okay? About finding sine, cos, and tan of the special angles by using your hand. So you can inbox me, I give you the video, I send you the video, okay? So we are going to do this question, okay? I want us to solve it together. So this question is asking us, okay? So if I zoom this question, so this question, it is asking us to calculate what? So let's read the question. So this question came in paper 1. So this is the diagram below shows triangle ABC. Okay, this is triangle ABC, the whole thing, in which AC, which is the hypotenuse. Okay, so which is the hypotenuse? Okay, it's saying that it is equal to what? It is equal to 18 centimeter, as you can see on the diagram there. Then this is CAB equals to 30 degrees, okay? So that is an angle. This is CAB, okay? CAB, the angle, which is this one, which is 30 degrees. And they are actually asking us to calculate the what? The length of BC. To calculate the what? The length of BC. So to calculate this length. Now, how can we calculate this one? So we know that this is a right-angled triangle, okay? This is a right-angled triangle. So for calculating this, you can use Pythagoras theorem. There is the use of Pythagoras theorem, as well as the use of what? Of SOHCAHTOA. So, but Pythagoras theorem only works when you have two sides and you're looking for another side, so it can work out. But when you have a side and an angle, that is what? SOHCAHTOA. So SOHCAHTOA, it is the one that can work here, okay? So let's check it out. So how do we solve this question? So we'll write solutions here, okay? So we'll write solutions, all right? So here, write solutions, okay? Let's do this. So this question here, okay? This question there. So let's try to write SOHCAHTOA. We see what it is. So SOHCAHTOA, so this is the word SOHCAHTOA, like that. Okay, so you need to know this word, SOHCAHTOA. So this part, it means sine theta is equal to opposite, okay, so it is equal to opposite over, this is the hypotenuse, okay, this is this part here, okay, then this one, it is equal to what? This is cos, okay, so C, it's for cos, so it's equal to what? Cos theta is equal to, this is the adjacent, so that is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, all right, the hypotenuse, like that. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing right here. So that is for the hypotenuse. Now how about tan? So tan theta is equal to, this is opposite, okay, over what? Over adjacent, like that, okay. I'm sure you are able to see how we have interpreted these formulas, okay. So these are the only formulas that you can use, okay, when you are solving this kind of equation. So let's look at here now. We have this question, all right. So this question is saying that we should calculate what? The length of BC. So guys, this is where we have an angle, okay. So this is where we have an angle, okay. So the opposite of this angle, it is this one. This part is the one that is opposite to this angle, okay. So this angle is opposite to what? To BC, okay. So this you should know. So meaning that we can only use what? The formula for what? For tan here, or I mean for sine here, because if we say sine theta, okay, so let's say we say sine 30, so sine 30 is equal to what? Opposite, which is what? Which is BC over what? Hypotenuse. The hypotenuse, it is the what? The largest part of a right angled triangle. Have you seen? So meaning that we have this, okay, we have that, we can find this part, okay. So this one, this sine, it is the one that we can use. Okay, let's try to use tan. If we say tan, okay, so tan theta is what? Is equal to opposite over adjacent. So tan 30 is equal to what? Opposite over adjacent. This is the adjacent, so but we don't know this. How can we find? So we can't use that one because we don't have this, we don't have that, okay. So you need to have at least two variables for you to find that. Let's check out on cos 30 is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Cos 30 is equal to what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. So we don't have this, okay, we don't have this. So how can you find? You can't find, okay. So now let's use what? Sine 30. Let's use sine 30, okay. Let's use sine 30. So let's use sine. So we are going with what? We are going with sine. So we have said that sine theta is equal to what? Opposite over hypotenuse. So now we are saying sine what? Sine 30 degrees. It is the one that we are using. Sine 30, okay. Sine 30 is equal to what? Opposite. Opposite is what? Opposite is BC, okay. Opposite is BC. Is BC the one that we are looking for? So is what? Opposite is equal to what? BC over what? So sine theta, it is saying that it is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, mean that is equal to opposite over what? Hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse that we have is what? Is 18, like that, okay. So from here now we can find what? We can find BC. So we can do this over 1, we cross multiply. So this one times that one, that is 1. So BC is equal to sine 30, okay, sine 30 degrees multiplied by what? By 18. Okay, so now you don't have a calculator. How are you going to find sine 30? How are you going to find sine 30? So in the previous video, I actually did teach you the formula when using your hand, when finding sines, tan, cosine, by using what? Your hand, your left hand side. Okay, just your fingers. Remember, I said that this is, those that are following me, they know what I'm talking about. So if you didn't check out that video, you can inbox me on this one, on this number, on WhatsApp. I'll send you that video. Okay, I'll send you that lesson where you can find this. So here, sine 30. Okay, so sine 30, so we said that this is 0 degrees, this is 30 degrees, this is 60, this is this is 45, this is 60, this is 90. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Okay, so we are looking for what? We are looking for sine 30. So this is our sine here, and if you want to find sine, we go this side, this side is for cos. Okay, so this side, this is, we are going to count how many fingers left. So the finger, how many fingers left? We have one finger left right here. Okay, so and the formula that we use, we say it is root over 2, and here you write what? Fingers left. Okay, that is what I said, fingers left. So how many fingers left here? We have one finger left going to the sine, so we have 1 right there. So now, what is the square root of what? Of 1. The square root of 1 is what? Is 1, meaning that we have half like that. Okay, so we have found what? We have found half. We can even prove on a calculator. Okay, we can even prove from the calculator. We say, what is sine 30? Sine 30 is half. Half is what? Is 0.5. So sine 30 is 0.5. That is what? Half there. Okay, is 0.5. So to change it to decimals, you just do this or do that. That is how it is. So that is half there. Okay, so we have what? We have half. Sine 30 is what? Is half, like this. Then it goes like that, like that. Are we together? Are we together? So this now, it is just simple. It is just a matter of what? Of multiplying and dividing. Okay, so we are going to divide 2 into 2, it's 1. 2 into 18, it's what? It's 9, like that. Okay, so that is how it is. So meaning that we are going to multiply 1 by 9. So that is going to be what? That is going to be 9. Meaning that our BC is equal to what? Is equal to 9. And what are the units? Don't forget the units. Don't forget the units. So the units are what? Are in centimeters. So we put 9 centimeters, like that. So don't forget, you are supposed to put the answer here. Okay, this is where to put the answer. So you say BC is equal to what? 9 centimeters. Don't forget to do that. So you can solve anything. You can use this space and put your answer here. So that is how you find that. Okay, I hope you've understood. So to make it easy for us, let's try to solve another question. I actually got another question from a certain paper as well. Okay, from a certain paper. So if you are new, don't forget to subscribe for more videos, for more lessons. Don't forget to invite friends as well. Invite friends. You can send this video on YouTube or on Facebook or any other platform, any group that you think they are going to benefit from this. Okay, so that we'll be able to help people there. All right, so we have this other question. I got this other question here. Okay, so this question, let me try to zoom so that we are able to see properly. Okay, so this question, it is saying that it is given that PQR, okay, PQR, this is the angle that they're talking about, which is this angle here. Okay, below is a right angle at what? R. So this is a right angle at what? At R. So a right angle, you can even see that this is 90 there. That is what they're saying. So they're saying that QR, they're saying that QR, this length here, it is what? It is 4 centimeters. And tan P, tan Q what? Tan Q PR is equals to what? Is equals to 3/4 tan what? Tan Q or tan P, okay? Tan P Q R, okay? So tan PQR is equal to what? So tan PQR, so tan PQR, this angle, they're talking about this angle. Tan P, when you get this angle, okay? So when you get this angle, they're saying that tan P, this is where P is. Okay, that is where P is. This is Q there. Okay, let me just try to put it like this. This is where R is. Okay, so they are saying that tan P or tan Q, they're saying that tan Q P R. So they are saying that when you use tan and you use this angle, okay, is equal to what? Is equal to 4/3. Is equal to 4/3. Now they're asking you find sine what? Find sine PQR. Find sine what? PQR. So they want you to find what? This angle. PQR. So the angle which is between here. The angle, they want you to find what? This angle here. Okay? This is the angle that they want you to find there. So now how can you find that angle? How can you find this angle? So this angle is opposite to which one? This. Okay? So that you should know. So they are saying that we should find what? Sine. Okay? So we should find what? Sine. We should find the angle here. So mean that we are going to use what? We are going to use sine to find this angle. Okay? We said that SOHCAHTOA, okay? SOHCAHTOA. Let me try to zoom it again. Okay? So SOHCAHTOA. So they are saying that we should use what? We should use sine. So sine, we said that is equal to opposite over what? Hypotenuse. Okay? So sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So sine this is equal to what? Opposite over what? Hypotenuse. Okay? Is equal to opposite over what? Hypotenuse. Okay? Is equal to what? Opposite over hypotenuse, but we don't have what? The opposite here. The opposite is the adjacent here. This angle here, it is opposite to the adjacent right there. Okay? So now, we need to find this as well as that. Okay? We need to find this and that since we have that. Okay? So they're saying that sine this one is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So now, let's try to do this. So, sine what? PQR. Sine PQR is equal to the opposite. Okay? Is equal to the opposite. The opposite is what? Is PR. Okay? The opposite is what? Is PR. PR, okay? PR over what? Over hypotenuse, because sine is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So over hypotenuse, so hypotenuse is PQ, okay? Hypotenuse is PQ, so over what? Over PQ. This is the formula that we are going to use. This is the formula that we are going to use, okay? But now that we don't have this, we don't have that, we don't have PR, we don't have PQ. So how can we find that? We have this, okay? We have this here. So we are going to use this here, right here, okay? It is saying that tan QPR, tan what? Tan QPR, okay? Tan QPR. So tan QPR, they are getting this angle, okay? Tan QPR is equals to what? This, okay? So now we need to know what tan, how to interpret tan. So tan here, tan is saying that it is equals to what? Opposite over what? Adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. Okay, so we are saying that tan theta, okay, tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. I want you to pay attention. Opposite over adjacent there. Okay, so now they are saying that right here, they're saying tan what? Tan PQR is equal to 4 over 3. Okay, tan PQR is equal to what? 4 over 3. Alright, is equal to 4 over 3. Now, let's do this. Okay, so now you need to know that tan is equal to opposite over what? Over adjacent. Okay, so tan is equal to opposite. So we are here, okay? Tan is equal to opposite. Opposite, they have said that it is what? It is 4. So that is why the 4 is there. Okay, tan is equal to opposite, so the opposite is there, is 4, here 4. Okay, tan this one is equal to opposite, which is 4, over what? Over adjacent. So mean that the adjacent is what? Is 3, because tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. So here is equal to opposite over adjacent. So 3 is equal to 4 over what? Over 3. That is what they mean. Is equal to what? 4 over 3. That is what they mean. 4 over 3. Mean that here it is what? Here there is 3 there. Are we getting the point? Tan, if you want to find tan, is equal to what? 4 over 3. This is what they are saying. Okay? Are we together there? Are we together there? Okay, so are we together there? So this is what we can do. Okay, so when we now know that we have this, so we can find that by using what? Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so now Pythagoras theorem. So here we have tan theta. Okay, tan what? Tan P. Tan Q. Okay, let me just write it down. Tan Q P R is equal to 4 over 3, meaning that this the way it is. Here we have 4. Here we have 3. This is where Q is. This is where R is. This is where P is. Okay, so now we are looking for the what? Hypotenuse here. So we can find the hypotenuse. Okay, we can also find the hypotenuse by using what? Pythagoras theorem. And you know that Pythagoras theorem, to find this one here, we add these two, the square of these two. So if you want to find PQ there, if you want to find PQ, you can find PQ by saying that the square root of what? Of 3 squared plus 4 squared. Okay, then this is 9, this is what? 16 3 times 3 it's 9, 4 times 4 it's 16, like that. Then you know that 9 plus 16 it's 25. Okay, so what is the square root of 25? The square root of 25, you find that is what? It is 5. Okay, it is 5 there, so you know that this is in centimeters. So you are going to put centimeters like that. Okay, as a hypotenuse. Okay, as what? The hypotenuse, which is what? Which is 5. So you now know, you even know that this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Okay, 3, 4, 5 triangle. These are common triangles. All right. So now that you have the hypotenuse, what is this formula talking about? So they are saying that you should find this. Okay, so they are saying that you should find sine what? Sine PQR. So sine PQR, this is the formula that we had derived here. Okay, so sine PQR is equal to what? PR. Okay, so we are going to have PR here. What is PR? Did we find PR? Did we find PR? So here, if you look at this one, this triangle here, we have PR. So PR is what? PR is 3. So we're just going to put what? You're going to put 3 there over what? PQ. What is PQ? PQ is what? Is 5. So you're going to put 5 like that. So if there was to divide, you would have divided, but there isn't. That is the answer. That is how you find your answer, like that. Okay, so this is what is sine PQR, like that. So thank you for your attention. Thank you for your attention. I've been your tutor, Patrick Divine, and we have been solving these questions. Okay, so I really appreciate your attention. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. Okay, so I've been receiving people who are saying that I should do calculus, I should do cubic functions, you know. So but this time around, I don't know which one I should start with. Okay, so but in the next video we are going to do one of the topics, either cubic functions or calculus, but I want you to be active. You know, you can ask questions. So like the way I have solved this question, go and look for questions on this same topic. Okay, go and look for questions, just search in paper 1, then solve, then I'll be able to help you on these ones. Thank you for watching. I've been your tutor, Patrick Divine. Thank you.